Hello everyone, Namaskar, Raj Krishna this side, and today we are going to solve one more problem on limits. So it is limit x tending to 0 sine 2x plus 4x divided by 2x plus sine 4x. So let's check the form first. So if you put x as 0, sine 0 is 0. So 0 plus 0, that will give you 0 in numerator, and 0 plus 0, again 0 in denominator as well. Fine. How can we solve this? If you want to involve trigonometric limit, so let me just tell you that limit, because only sine is there, so limit x tending to 0 sine mx divided by mx is 1. Fine. So if we want to create scenario like this, we can divide by x in both numerator and denominator. So limit x tending to 0. We can do this like sine 2x by x plus 4x divided by x. Same in denominator. So 2x by x plus sine 4x divided by. Now, algebra of limit tells you that if you have limit a tending to 0, f of x divided by g of x, then you can write this as limit a tending to 0, f of x divided by limit a tending to 0 g of x, provided this limit exists also. So you can do this. So we'll do the same here. This is just the algebra of limits. So this is and if you are thinking that why you have written a tending to 0, so that was just example, no need to make that issue for you. So let's remove that if possible. So fine. So this is you can take this as x tending to 0, x tending to 0, x tending. Fine. So same thing I'm doing here. I'm writing this as limit x tending to 0 sine 2x by x. This 2x needs a 2, so just 2 here and a 2 here, no problem whatsoever, plus limit x tending to 0, 4, because this x got cancelled, this x got cancelled, divided by limit x tending to 0, 2, plus limit x tending to 0, need a 4 here, multiply, divide. So this sine 2x by 2x at limit x tending to 0 is going to give you 1. So 2 into 1 plus 4 is a constant, can come out, you will get 4 only, because nothing, no term of x is there, so you will get that constant only. And here again you will get 2 only. Here again this term will give you 1, so plus 4. So you have a 6 in numerator, a 6 in denominator, you are finally going to get 1. Fine enough. So that's how simple it was. I don't think there any sort of problem. This formula you need to remember, and this algebra of limit, obviously. Okay. Now, what as I was talking about, yes, because it's a 0 by 0 form, you can also use the L hospital rule. Someone says it L'Hopital rule as well, that pronunciation doesn't matter. It all matters is whether you are able to know the method or not. So method tells that separately differentiate numerator and denominator. So if you differentiate sine 2x, so limit x tending to 0, derivative of sine 2x is, derivative of sine is cos 2x, and derivative of 2x is 2. So 2 cos 2x. Then we have 4x, whose derivative with respect to x will come out to be 4. In denominator, we have 2x plus sine 4x. 2x derivative is 2. Sine 4x again, cos 4x, and a 4 will come. Now try to put 0. Cos has no problem with 0 because that becomes 1. So 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4, 6 by 6. Again, you are getting 1. So either you follow this method or that method. Okay, both are the same one. Okay, if the first one doesn't strike you and you want to get the answer in a multiple choice examination, apply the other one. Okay, I hope it's fine till now. Do watch my playlist on limits. The question is over here. For more such problems, and do share this with your friend. Thanks and have a nice day.